Hey everyone, today I will guide you through how to use the Excel left function. The left function is used to extract characters from the beginning of a text string, and the best way to understand the left function is by seeing how it works in practice. So let's go ahead and apply it to different types of data. Start by typing the formula $left and then cell A2 followed by a comma and the number 3 to extract the first 3 characters from the text in cell A2. Once you press enter, Excel will return the result right away. Now, if you drag the fill handle down, the formula will apply to the other cells as well. It's important to note that the left function counts spaces, numbers, and symbols as characters too. You can choose exactly how many characters you want to extract, and that's how the left function works in Excel. The left function is a simple yet powerful tool in Excel for pulling out parts of text. By learning to use it well, you can save time and handle text data more efficiently. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.